Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can disable Windows Automatic Update. So one of the main reasons this is quite an annoying feature is that Windows can automatically update in the worst times, and this can lead to loss of progress and delayed usage time. Now this is quite a advanced procedure, but if you follow through my steps, promise everything will be as easy as cake. To begin, we're going to press the Windows and R button at the same time on our keyboard and write services.msc. Make sure to write this directly, and we're going to press on OK. From there, it should take a few seconds to load. Don't worry. As you can see, it's loaded up. From here, we have multiple services that are running on our Windows system. Do not touch any of these. Do not touch them. You're simply going to scroll down until we find W. So it is by alphabetical order. There we go. So Windows Audio, Windows. We want to find Windows Update. So as you can see, I found Windows Update. As you can see, it is running out right now. What we're simply going to do is right click and press on Properties. Now make here is the startup type. What this means is that when a Windows update is to happen, I am selecting it manually to update at that time. For most of you, it will be on automatic, and that is not good. Do not press this to disable as it can mess up. So what I recommend is if yours is on automatic, which it probably is, you simply want to press on manual, apply, okay, and from now on your Windows update should be manual. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Goodbye.